A very good morning, class. So, how are you all? Class, today we are going to start a new chapter, a new unit 11, The Little Mechanic. This unit is all about Sir Isaac Newton. As you know, the great scientist, mathematician. So, let's have a look about him. In this picture, you can see it is mentioned as Woolsthorpe Manor, the birthplace of Isaac Newton. Actually, Sir Isaac Newton born and his upbringing in that house. इस घर में इनकी अपब्रिंगिंग हुई, इनकी दादी के साथ ये रहते थे. एंड यू मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ द यूनिवर्सल ग्रेविटेशनल लॉ. जो ग्रेविटी का एक कानून है, इसाक न्यूटन ने ही उसको इन्वेंट किया था, उसका खोज की. सो कहते हैं वो ट्री, द एप्पल ट्री थ्रू विच इसाक न्यूटन गोट द आइडिया अबाउट द यूनिवर्सल ग्रेविटेशनल लॉ इज स्टिल अलाइव. द ट्री हैज़ मतलब 400 ईयर्स बड़ा लॉन्ग वो टाइम हो चुका है उस ट्री को, मीन्स 400 ईयर्स पुराना वो पेड़ है और आज भी उस ट्री को कंजर्व करा जाता है, उसकी केयर करी जाती है थ्रू फेंसिंग. फेंस करी गई है उस पेड़ के साइड में सराउंडिंग्स को बाय द नेशनल ट्रस्ट. सो इन दिस इमेज यू कैन सी द बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ इसाक न्यूटन. Now let's start the story of Sir Isaac Newton. Few words about Nathaniel Hawthorne. Ranks among American author. ये एक अमेरिकन ऑथर के मेजर ऑथर हैं अमेरिका के, काफ़ी फेमस. His novel The Scarlet Letter is considered to be a masterpiece of American literature. And Hawthorne also wrote short stories, one of the collections being Twice Told Tales. Okay, now let's begin our story from Para 1. Para 1. When Isaac Newton was born on Christmas Day 1642 in the small village of Woolsthorpe in England. Woolsthorpe is a small village in England. In this image you can see. Little did his mother know what he would grow to achieve. Little did she know that he was destined to explain many matters which had been a mystery since the beginning of time. कहीं ना कहीं उनकी मम्मा को ये चीज़ का रियलाइजेशन था, बड़े होकर ही वुड बी समथिंग, someone special who will explore the world, who will explore the science, who will explore the mysteries, okay, since beginning of time. Isaac was left in the care of his grandmother from the time he was a small boy. She was very kind to him and sent him to school. Actually, Isaac was left in the care of his grandmother when he was a small kid, a 5-year boy. His grandmother ने उनको पाला. She was very kind, a kind lady, and she used to send him to school. एंड ऑल उसका जो छोटे मोटे काम थे वो सब उसकी दादी क्या करती थी. इवन वैन ही वॉज वेरी यंग, इसाक वॉज वेरी स्किल्ड इन हिज मैकेनिक्स. मैकेनिक्स में इसाक जो थे वो बचपन से ही बहुत माहिर थे जबकि वो बहुत छोटे थे. मैकेनिक मीन्स द स्टडी एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ मशीन. सो इन मशीन मेकिंग द मैकेनिकल skills of Isaac Newton, Sir Isaac Newton, was very high, nice. He had a set of little tools and saws of various sizes that he had fashioned by himself. Actually जिस चीज़ का हमको शौक होता है उस चीज़ से रिलेटेड टूल्स हम कलेक्ट कर ही लेते हैं. सो इन द सेम वे Isaac Newton had many those kind of tools which he used for his mechanics. Fashioned by himself means made with him his own hands, like he has invented all those tools by himself. A small knife, a hammer, a screwdriver, or whatever he was required वो self made था. With the help of these, Isaac tried to make many curious objects, and he has made many curious objects with the help of those tools which he has created by himself. It is amusing to imagine what anticipation Isaac's grandmother and others formed about the things he might make in later life. Some of them perhaps thought he would make beautiful furniture and sell it to rich people, Actually, the anticipations means expectations, but hopeful. Okay, hopeful expectations are called anticipation. As you know, the synonym also the prediction. But the word prediction means to predict something in advance before it's happening. A prediction in advance about future, and future may be good or may be bad. But when we use word anticipation, it is always in a positive way. लाइक एंटिसिपेशंस इसाक न्यूटन को लेकर मीन्स अ पॉजिटिव वे में कि वो कुछ अच्छा ही करेंगे. Few people suggested that when he will be mature, then he would be a furniture maker. Others thought that young Isaac would become an architect. Architect भी बन सकते हैं. Few suggested, and would build splendid mansions and churches too, with the tallest steeples that had ever been seen in England. So steeples, as you know, the pointed towers rising above the church. So the most top area of the church, which is appointed, a high point, is called steeples. So he would make those kind of architect, those kind of buildings. Some of her friends, no doubt, advised Isaac's grandmother to send him for training to a clockmaker. Actually, grandmother's few friends advised that he is good in mathematics, because beside his mechanical skills, the boy seemed to have a taste for mathematics, which would be very useful to him in clockmaking. That is why, because he was Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was very good in mathematics. That is why two friends of grandmother suggested that you must send your boy to the clockmaker or clock manufacturer factory, because he is good in maths and it will assist him to guide, to help to do properly the clock making work, and obviously many more reasons not mentioned here, money purpose also. So indeed there was every reason to believe that Isaac would become a clock manufacturer. He had made a kind of clock that nobody had ever heard of before. Actually, he has made a kind of watch which we can't assume at that time. Okay, so what was special about watch? It was set to work not by wheels and weight like other clocks, but by the dropping of water. The speciality of that clock was the clock working is based on the water. When someone drop water on the clock, then the clock tell the time. This was an object of great wonder to all people in the workshop. And this was the thing, like wonder means एक नमूना, एक बहुत ही amazing thing थी, like amazing how a clock can tell the time by dropping just water. Beside the water clock के अलावा Isaac made a sundial. Sundial means a device which tells the time, okay, which indicates the time with the help of shadow. Sundial, a device that indicate time with the help of shadow whose position changes as the sun moves across the sky. As the sun moves across the sky, so with the help of shadow, the sundial can indicate the time, whatever time at that particular moment. So beside water clock, Isaac made sundial. Now his grandmother was never at a loss to know the time. At a loss to know the time. At a loss is a phrasal verb. So at a loss means बिना मुश्किल के. So बिना मुश्किल के वो time बता सकती थी, because his grandson has invented something that will indicate the time with the help of shadow, sunshines. The water clock would tell the time in the shade and the sundial in the sunshine. So here the problem has been solved. Listen, during day he can tell the time, the indication of the time through the sundial. But when the sundial is not available, the sunshine is not available during night, let's say night, so water clock may be working, would be alternate. Okay, so Isaac had a wonderful ability to acquire knowledge by the simplest mean. For instance, what method do you think he used to find out the strength of the wind? Actually, the thinking ability of Isaac was very different, and the wind strength he measured at the time when he was very young. You will never guess how the boy would make the unseen, inconstant, and ungovernable wonder. The wind tell him the measure of its strength, yet nothing can be simpler. He jumped against the wind, and by the length of his jump, he would calculate the force of gentle breeze, a brisk gale, or a tempest. Here, Isaac Newton measured the intensity of air, of wind. How? With his jump. How long he would jump? जितना बड़ा उसका जंप होगा उतना बड़ा उतना ज़्यादा एयर की वो इंटेंसिटी यानी उसको कैलकुलेट कर पाएंगे. ठीक है. सो ब्रिस्क जेल मीन्स क्या होता है? अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड. एक बहुत ही तेज़ हवा को तो ब्रिस्क जेल कहते हैं, और टेम्पेस्ट कहते हैं अ वायलेंट विंडी स्टॉर्म, जिसमें तूफान सा आ जाता है. लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा कपड़े वगैरह उड़ते हैं, पेड़ भी थोड़े मूवमेंट करने लगते हैं, थोड़ा लॉस होता है, वो टेम्पेस्ट होता है. दस even in his boyish sports, Isaac was continually searching out the secrets of nature. जब वो खेलते थे तब भी वो अपने लिए कुछ ना कुछ तलाश में, कुछ ना कुछ एक सर्च में रहते थे. He was not a common boy, he was not a normal boy, he was someone special. That is why वो जब बच्चे खेलते थे उस टाइम में भी कुछ ना कुछ उनको एक इन्वेंशन, कुछ तलाश में रहती थी, और वो साइंस को, नेचर को हर तरीके से आंकते रहते थे. सो क्लास, here up to para 8 we will finish today's class, and from tomorrow we will start proceed with 9. Do your homework up to page number 114. I hope you already understand. I mean the workshop up to page number 114 and submit into query group. And one important notice, as I have already told you about notebook submission, so just be prepared, complete your work on time, send on into query group. I'm noticing few of you are not sending your homework. Please send your homework, otherwise I have to take action. So class, have a good day, take care, bye.